What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting, sport card fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com. We're coming in at 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. Two breaks for you tonight. Gonna start off with the 2012-13 Panini Elite Series basketball. 30 names in this one. Everybody gonna get one team per spot. And we'll grab that list and randomize it 5 times. There we go. Here is number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll copy the results and paste it against the list of teams in alphabetical order. And here is the roster for the Elite Series. And here is the box. This one gonna have 2 packs in it. It'll be the regular pack and then 1 Kobe pack. Kobe pack will go to the Lakers. So Dave, you'll be getting all those. And here is the Kobe pack. And sorry about that. Up first for the Clippers, Chauncey Billups, numbered to 275. Timberwolves, Andre Kirilenko to 275. Nuggets, Corey Brewer to 275. And the Wizards, Bradley Beal to 249. First hit is going to the Magic. Rookie inscriptions autograph, Tobias Harris. Magic going to Jim F. tonight. Up next for the Hornets, which will go to the Pelicans, Brian Roberts inscriptions auto. That one going to Richard R. This one, another inscriptions auto. Zydrunas Ilgauskas on card auto, numbered to 249. That one going to the Cavs, so Andrew P. You'll be getting that one. Electrifying insert for the Warriors, Harrison Barnes, 16 out of 125. Warriors going to Jim F. Elite signings autograph, Marvin Williams. That one going to the Jazz. So John W. He'll be getting that one. And the glass card, gonna go to the Rockets, Yao Ming. Rockets going to Jim F. Very nice. Congratulations, Jim. And for the second break, 5-box case break of the 2012 Black Football. Going to be 32 names in this one, one team per spot. We'll copy that list, randomize it 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll copy that list, paste it against the list of teams in alphabetical order. And here is the roster for the Black case break. And there is the 5-box case. Alright, here we go, box number 1. Good luck, everybody. Up first for the Redskins, rookie Kirk Cousins, numbered 177 out of 349, going to Ryan K. For the Texans, Jared Crick, rookie, to 349, going to Jason C. For the Lions, Ndamukong Suh, that one to 349, going to Dave. Dual jersey patch for the Packers, Charles Woodson. Packers going to Jason C, numbered 97 out of 99. Jaguars, Mercedes Lewis, on a short print, 34 out of 49. Going to Ben. For the Rams, Steven Jackson, captain insert, to 349. Going to Jose. Raiders weaponry, Darren McFadden, to 349. Going to Gary B. Rookie on-card auto 2-color patch for the Rams, Isaiah Peed. That one going to Jose. Super short print, 18 out of 25. Rookie autograph for quarterback Kellen Moore. Lions going to Dave R. That one a short print, 26 out of 49. Rookie auto for the Bengals, Vontaze Burfict. Bengals going to Jim F. Numbered 45 out of 199. And a redemption, rookies platinum signatures. So Bryce Brown. I want to go to the Eagles. So Johnny N. He'll be getting that one. And a dual patch for the Chargers, Phillip Rivers. That one going to Jim F. Short print numbered 23 out of 99. We'll start with the two rookies on the bottom. First for the Lions, Ronald Lewis. Going to Dave to 349. Cowboys, Tyrone Crawford to 349. Going to Colby. Steelers, Isaac Redman to 349. Going to Gary. Jaguars, Maurice Jones-Drew to 349. Going to Ben. Packers, Greg Jennings. 22 out of 25. Going to Jason C. Captains for the Broncos. Champ Bailey to 349. Going to Anthony R. Weaponry insert for the Colts. Reggie Wayne. Going to Dave, numbered to 349. Rookie on card auto with 3-color patch. Going to the Ravens, Bernard Pierce. So Christina H. You're getting that one numbered to 143 out of 349. For the Bengals, Orson Charles Gold Parallel, rookie auto. That one going to Jim, numbered 83 out of 99. And another one for you, Jim. Vontaze Burfict, rookie auto. 164 out of 199. Rookie patch for the Texans, Devere Posey. Going to Jason C. Numbered 27 out of 299. And a dual patch, 3 colors for the Chiefs, Dwayne Bowe. Chiefs going to Jamie J. I want a super short print, 19 out of 20. And on to box number 3. First for the Bengals, Dan Heron to 349. Going to Jim. And another one for you, Jim. Marvin Jones, rookie to 349. Steelers, Michael Wallace to 349. Going to Gary. Dual patch for the Bears, Brian Urlacher. That one going to Greg B. 18 out of 99. Packers, Greg Jennings. Gold parallel, 11 out of 49. Going to Jason C. Man-to-man, which will go to the Falcons with Roddy White and Chris Gamble. Falcons going to John W. Numbered to 349. Weapon reinsert for the Eagles, LaShawn McCoy to 349. Going to Johnny. Rookie on-card auto 3-color patch, Alshon Jeffrey. Bears going to Greg B. Numbered 197 out of 349. Rookie auto for the Bengals, Orson Charles. Now on a gold parallel, going to Jim, numbered 82 out of 99. Another gold parallel rookie auto, this one for the Seahawks, Bobby Wagner. Seahawks going to Johnny, numbered 83 out of 99. Up next, a redemption. Rookie signatures, Devon Wiley. And I might have to look that one up. Don't know that one off the top of my head. Alright, looks like he's with the Chiefs. So, Jamie J, he'll be getting that one. And we have a triple patch. It'll go to the Giants, Eli Manning. And then we have Steelers, Mike Wallace. Niners, Patrick Willis. So, Giants going to Gary B. Numbered 26 out of 50. And the box number 4. For the Redskins, Alfred Morris, rookie, to 349. Going to Ryan K. Steelers, Marquez Mays, rookie, to 349. Going to Gary B. Cardinals, Kevin Cobb. Going to Jesse W. to 349. Rookie on card auto 2-color patch, LaMichael James for the Niners. That one going to Gregory H. Numbered 186 out of 349. Ravens, Tommy Streeter. Super short print, 4 out of 10. That one going to Christina H. Captains for the Niners, Frank Gore to 349. I'm going to Gregory. And a weapon reinsert for the Ravens, Ray Rice to 349. Going to Christina H. Rookie on-card auto jersey patch for the Giants, Ruben Randall. Giants going to Gary B. Numbered 103 out of 349. Rookie auto for the Bengals, Orson Charles. Going to Jim, 92 out of 199. Rookie auto for the Ravens, Bobby Rainey, 159 out of 199. Going to Christina H. Marks of Distinction autograph for the Packers, Jordy Nelson. That one numbered 44 out of 75. Going to Jason C. And a dual patch for the Cowboys, Tony Romo and Troy Aikman. Cowboys going to Colby C. Numbered to 42 out of 50. And the last box of the case. For the Cowboys, a rookie Morris Claiborne to 349. Going to Kobe. Bucks Najee Good to 349. Going to Chico. Jets Sean Green to 349. Going to Jim F. Giants Eli Manning to 349. Going to Gary B. Another one for you, Gary. Adrian Robinson. 23 out of 25. Captain's insert for the Titans, Jake Locker to 349. Going to Colby. Grab a one touch for the next one. For the Dolphins, Ryan Tannehill, rookie on card auto 2-color patch. Dolphins going to John W. Number 262 out of 349. Weaponry insert for the Saints, Darren Sproles to 349. Going to Johnny N. Rookie auto for the Bears, Brandon Harden. 122 out of 199. Going to Greg B. Rookie auto gold parallel for the Vikings, Josh Robinson. Going to Vincent B. And the last one made 99 out of 99. For the Packers, a Brett Favre, a dual patch. Packers going to Jason C. Numbered 56 out of 99. And a rookie patch for the Niners, LaMichael James. Going to Gregory H. Numbered 48 out of 299. And that'll do it for the Friday night breaks. We're back at it tomorrow with some more football. I think we'll be adding some Tier 1 baseball. So take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you tomorrow night.